Hi all and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, due to surgery on one of my fingers, I will do some slingshooting. I always have a slingshot with me when I'm out on the range, just to do some shooting. Mostly I throw knives and tomahawks, you know that. So check my other videos out if you want to see more of that. But today I want to do something else, something different. So a low budget exploding target, and I don't know if this will work. What do you think? So this is the idea. We have a lighter in the center of the catch box with two lit candles on each side. So hopefully we will have some kind of firebolt, explosion. I actually think the lighter might blow out the candles. So write in the comments what you think will happen before you watch. So let's try this. So that was a cool reaction. That's perfect. I just need to... Oh. So I should have put water on everything before. I didn't expect that kind of awesome reaction. That was so cool. So my target box is kind of melted up here. See that? And I just turned off the cam and went straight here, and it's already melted that much. So I waited for a day with rain. So it rained all day yesterday before I tried this, because I didn't know if it was gonna explode and go into the grass or anything. But everything is damp here in Sweden today, so it's no cause for fire hazard today. But still, that was an awesome reaction. So if you're gonna do this, fill the target box with water, moist all the towels, everything before you do that, and do it on a rainy day or the day after rain, so you don't burn down anything, the house or the forest, anything. So that one actually blew out the candle, so the other one was so much cooler. So cool. So this time I won't let the target box burn like I did the first time. Oh, it's so cool when they explode like that. Bolt of fire. Okay, all there you have it, an homemade exploding target. So I didn't expect that reaction from the first shot there. It was freaking awesome. So 2 out of 3 exploded. I actually think the one that didn't explode was center hit and it exploded too fast, or the counts were affected by the wind. I need to look back on the slow motion close-up, but you need to try this. I should have moistened everything down before I did the first shot. Actually, the target box got really affected by the second explosion as well, and I had the hose, I hosed it down right after the explosion, but it generates quite a lot of heat, so it actually melted some more after the second explosion as well. But you need to try this and try to be safe. I waited until it was rain in Sweden, so the whole day yesterday was rain, so we didn't have this dry grass everywhere, so it's probably safest to do it in the rain or in winter. But try this. Please tag me if you do. If you have any other suggestions what to do with a slingshot, write in the comments. Take care all, and please subscribe and spread the love for slingshooting. I'm really happy I didn't ask my wife for permission. She would have let me do this. So try this one. It's really fun. You need to try this one. My chickens is saying hi. Take care all, and this time spread the love for slingshooting. Jävla tupp!